is Ed Brock, and I'm the project superintendent for a cafeteria that we're remodeling in Arlington, Texas. And we have partnered up with Door Systems. We have a unit that's about 100 feet long. This is the biggest one that I've ever seen. There was a lot of early engineering and things that had to go into that, and that's why there was a little special tweakage to get it just exactly right between the engineering and installation, but it all came out just right. Door Systems was a great company to work with. They were really on the spot and did exactly what they said they would do. The wall is installed now. It works properly. It works great. They've been great to deal with. Luis is a great employee to work with. Cherished the time that we had to spend together. He was very accommodating and very professional, and we had a great time, and the wall's perfect. And we would highly recommend them. If you need a fire curtain, they would certainly be the ones to call. We appreciate it. Thank you.